Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your TradingView strategy to Binance. This process allows you to automate your trading decisions, saving you valuable time and effort. We will explore the crucial steps involved, ensuring your strategies execute flawlessly. By the end, you will understand the one primary method to link these powerful platforms for automated trading success. Let's dive right into the setup. The core of this automation relies on TradingView webhooks. When your strategy generates an alert, TradingView can send a custom message to a unique URL. This message, containing your trade instructions, acts as a signal. Think of it as a digital messenger, carrying your buy or sell orders from TradingView directly to an intermediary service. This is the first critical step in automating your trades. Once the webhook sends its signal, a third-party automation platform takes over. This platform receives the message and translates your TradingView instructions into commands that Binance understands. It then uses Binance's application programming interface, or API, to execute the trade on your behalf. Selecting a reliable platform that specifically supports Binance is crucial for secure and efficient order execution. This intermediary is the only way to bridge the gap. The final, vital step involves setting up your Binance API keys. You will generate these unique keys within your Binance account settings. It is essential to grant only the necessary permissions, typically for spot or futures trading, and restrict withdrawal access. Once generated, you securely input these API keys into your chosen automation platform. This allows the platform to communicate directly and safely with your Binance account, completing the connection.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.